According to Whoop.com, one of the biggest marketplace on digital product selling, the volume of digital product transaction has increased by 70%. You may ask your question about what caused exactly this increase on digital products transaction. It's because of a creator economy. That's mean in this creator economy, if you are not creating content and you are not creating digital products, you are losing a lot of money. Why I'm saying that? It's because the creator economy is valued to 100 million and destined to double before 2027. You see that there is a lot of potential for you to become the next rich, the next millionaire in the creator economy, but something is going wrong in markets. So the thing is, we got a lot of question about how to create digital products. Some people say that it's very difficult to create digital product, and some other are saying that how to really start creating a digital product. So in this video, I will share with you exactly all the steps. You know that all my videos are very like educational, and so that's why I always like to give you step-by-step process in order to help you to understand exactly all the steps that can help you to create your product or to start your business. I will share with you 5 steps that can help you to start creating your first digital products. The first step, always I told to my clients, I told to those people who already like started following me on my social media, before starting any business, they need to start by niching down. You have to niche down. It's very important to niche down. Niching down means you have to find exactly which kind of people you want to serve and in which niche you need to serve people. You have a service to sell, you have any skill to sell, but this skill need to meet exactly the market requirement. You cannot start by creating digital products without knowing exactly who will buy your product. I will give you an example. Let's say that you have 2 people with one objective. The objective is to build a house. The first one starts building his house without making like a foundation. You know that can make like a basic foundation, and after that he can build his house and stay on this house. And the second one come and asks exactly to build first of all the right foundation to his house, and after building the foundation, so he raised his house. So I will ask you a question. When like the heavy rains can come in like this village, which house will crumble? The house who will crumble is the house without any foundation, you know, the house without any foundation. But the house with a foundation will not crumble, because the foundation is very good for a house in order to help the house to stand in any like heavy rain, any like intemporary. So you understand that the first thing to do in building something great, in building something good, a good services or a good digital product, you have first of all to niche down to determine the foundation, you know, the foundation of your business, which kind of people you need to serve to those like those products. You have to make a simple formula. Which kind of people you are ready to give your product for free? By determining exactly those people who are very ready to get your product for free, you already know exactly which kind of digital product you have to create. You understand? This is the first step. The second step that you have to put in action also is now to start creating a solution. As you already niche down, you know exactly in this niche which kind of problem these people encounter, and the second step is to create this solution. This solution may be a software, may be an application, may be like a ebook or a template. With all these skills, you know exactly which kind of digital product you can create. I will make another video about the kind of digital product you can sell in this creator economy. So you have first to have a solution. This solution will be based on the niche that you already found about your skills. Don't sell anything that you cannot like relate, because if you sell something that you cannot relate with, you will find very difficult to scale this business. So the second one is to take care about the pain point that people encounter on this niche that you already the niche that you already found, and you to start creating a solution on those problems. So the solution may be an ebook, a template, is an application, or a software. This is like what you have to do. The third step is now to find the right platform where you will now start by sharing your content, sharing the insightful information around your product. So I give you always this advice: don't start by selling your product to people, because they don't care about your product. They care about the value that your product provides to them. So what you have to do now to choose the right platform, it will be like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So I suggest you exactly to start by Instagram and TikTok, because it's very easy for you to to gain more followers and to gain more clients through this platform, because those platforms don't care about how many followers you have. You can become viral anytime just by using the right hook, the right technique that can help you to go viral. So you choose the right platform to share your message, to share your solution. But first of all, you have to share exactly the free value content that can help you to grab people attention and drive those people to the right to buy your services. So I told you the first one, to niche down. The second one is to choose a right solution to those to the pain point that you already encounter on the niche. And after that, you have now to choose the right platform that you will share your information, your free value content. The fourth step that I will give you is now to start determining exactly the pricing. Why I put the pricing after choosing the platform? It's because by sharing value content, you will see exactly how many people can comment, relate to your content, relate to your solution. You will see exactly how you can determine the price, because you already creating a solution. You already have a solution, but you have to understand how people react to your content. You will understand if people are very ready to buy your products for high value or low ticket, your low ticket. In order to determine exactly the value of your products, the price of your product, you have to determine which kind of value your products provide to people. If I provide a product that's help people to save their time, to save their time and to save money, I will tax a huge amount, because people will not care about the price. They will care about the value that your products provide. Most of people think that the cheapest their products can be, the more people will buy. People will not buy a product because it's a very cheap. They will buy because of the value that you provide. So to determine exactly the value that your products bring to people, you have to take care about how people react to your free content, how people can relate to your free content. By understanding exactly the value that your product or your services, your solution provide to people, you can now determine exactly the pricing. I cannot give you the right price. I encourage you to always determine your pricing based on the value that your product or your service provide to people. It's very important, because you can tax how you value pricing and people will still buy because they see the value that you provide to them. Only focus on value that you provide to people and you will do a right business. So the fifth step that I will give you is to scale your business. You understand? So on all my videos, I don't recommend people to only start to only sell digital product, to only sell the product. So I encourage people to scale their business. Scaling business is to create a business that can be that can last for 3 years, 5 years, or even for eternity. So most of people, when they come across digital products era, they only create a free content, or they create only the courses, all this the platform, but they cannot scale. Why? Because they don't know exactly how to scale their business. So I will share with you in the next in my next video how you can make your business to last, how you cannot like be only like the trending entrepreneurs. So there are something that some people are, I call the trending like entrepreneurs. They become entrepreneurs like only die by trending. So after the trend, like let's say that you are an entrepreneur, you create only like you are an entrepreneur in digital product era, but after or like the digital product era, you fall on your business because these business are not trending. So how you can create a product that will last even like the digital product era like price, you can still be like selling your product. So I will share with you all the secrets in my next video. Just make sure to follow this channel, and you will get a lot of information about business, about how you can become also productive in your digital era, in the creator economy. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Like and like, comment and suggest me like the subject that you need me to develop in my next video.